Okay, this video is about the importance of keeping soil away from the base of your commercial metal piers on a manufactured home. As you can see over time, if you have a little bit of water, this home happens to be recessed, and some of the dirt from the crawl space is kind of washed down, covered the pier bases and the pads. But what'll happen is the pier bases will start to rust. So as you can see here, where I've cleaned some of these off already, you can start to see some of the rust. Here's one next to it. But if you catch it before the rust gets too bad, once it dries, you can hit it one more time with the broom or brush, stiff brush, and then hit it with some primer, and it'll extend the life of your piers. But that's what it looks like before and after. All right, so in this one, I'm just going to take a old drywall knife and start shoveling away. All right, well, that's what it takes to clean some of these off. But if you can look, see right here, all the metal's missing. It's been deteriorated, it's rusted away. Here's one of the chunks that came out. If you look on this side, that's just the wood pad. So this pier will end up needing to be replaced. But to avoid this, regular inspections and maintenance, and you can prevent that.